Hey everyone, so I went for my swim. I went up around 20 to 9. There were lots of people there, so that was fine. And now I just finished cooking. I made mince curry here with my Indian spices, and I'm making some rice. Now I can hop in the shower. I don't use the shower up there with the one that's provided. I always come down and I shower. And while I go into the shower, this will cook. Then I can come out and I can have my meal. I just braise the onions and I put in all my spices, cumin. I use 3 cloves of garlic, about a 2-inch piece of ginger chopped up. First with the onions, then I put in turmeric, paprika, cumin, a little bit of the thyme leaves, and a little bit of chili powder and garam masala. The spices, except for the garam masala, I use like half a teaspoon, and the garam masala I use 1 teaspoon. And I put in some curry leaves, lime leaves in here. And then once I braise everything, then I put in the meat, which I had defrosted this afternoon. And then I'm boiling some brown rice. So I try to eat healthy, not eat junk. And then I'm going to listen to the news and maybe do another John Maxwell teaching. I don't jump on the calls that often because I prefer the Zoom where we can see each other. And that's only available in mentorship. It's not available at the level that's free for me. But I do go back and listen to some of the calls. And also I have Roddy's training on the Saturday, so that helps a lot. So I just wanted to show you. So it makes a full day for me, even though I'm at home and job hunting. You can see how much I get done in the day. I didn't do any embroidery today, but maybe tomorrow. And those pillowcases, the prices have tripled compared to when I bought them the first time, the ones with the stamp on them, so that I can embroider. So it's good. I keep myself busy. I'm praying that my YouTube channel will take off and I'll be able to start making a passive income that way as well. It's not going to happen overnight, I know, but the more videos I can put out, the more followers I can gain who want to learn about communication and prayer, meditation, the better it is, because I'm going to keep applying for jobs in nonprofits and churches. And why not, especially now with the cutbacks in the USAID, I have good skills to help the churches and the nonprofits with fundraising at the local level, in applying for government grants, all that kind of thing. I can help people, but I have to get the job first, isn't it? So keep praying for me, and I'm sure things will fall into place. God has been good to me so far. I've got my health back, and that only comes about with God's blessing and God's love for me, whatever his plan is. And all these banks, I'm glad they got caught. Jane Green and all of them. They must carry on. I told them to stop telling people that he was hoping to be friends with me. They wouldn't stop. The truth always comes out in the end.